walk back. Hello. What's going on?
Father's in there breaking stuff with my son. And, you guys get him out.
Okay. Yeah. Can you just keep an eye?
Yeah.
Okay. So.
My son's 1 year-old, okay? We're trying to tell him to leave, and he won't leave.
Okay, does he live here?
No.
Okay, where does he live?
In West Sacramento.
Huh?
In West Sacramento.
Okay, and he's
supposed to be on a visit with my kids,
Uh-huh.
and he's not leaving.
Okay.
And we had a couple drinks together, and he went a little far. So I asked my daughter to go use the phone upstairs because he broke our phones. So we're not allowed to call. So he's in there, and if he knows that you guys are out here, he's gonna flip a script and keep my kids in there and hurt them.
Okay, so.
I need to go back in there so he doesn't hurt my kids.
Okay, wait a second. Is there any weapons in there or anything like that?
No.
Okay, can we go in there and talk with him?
Please.
Okay. Do you have a restraining order against him or anything?
No.
Okay. Where is he? Okay. Okay, so. So there's. Okay. Does the door lock? It's broke. What's his name? Okay. Broken door. Is it the broken door? Hey, let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Hey, call for another unit. Hey.
Man's looking right.
Hey, put the knife down.
Give it there. Can we get 3 additional
Hey,
places?
come here. Leave that kid. Okay, come here.
Get back!
Hey, put the knife down, man. Come here. Listen to me, man. Hey, I just want to talk with you. Let me see the kid. Hey, he's a child, man. Let me see the kid.
He will do it.
Hey, stay inside the room. Stay inside the room.
Out. Out.
Hey, no, that's not what we want to do, man. Hey, look. Hey, guns go away. I just want you to put the knife down, man. Come here. Let me see the kid.
I don't know what. Do you have a ram in your phone?
Out, that way, please, that way.
Smoke in there. Come on out, man. Dude, the kid.
Too much fucking smoke. Fire's still burning.
Have fire come in.
It's right. It's still at the bottom.
Keep eyes on. Go. We got another extinguisher on the.
Here. Right here.
Is he still alive and moving? Yeah. Still alive and moving. Had baby and.
I can't see anything past the second pillar, so if you go in, I can't see you at all.
Watch out.
Mask up.
I end up grabbing his arm that I can see to secure it, and I grab his right behind his neck just to hold him down, making sure that if he is conscious, he's not gonna come swinging at me. I see out of the corner of my eye to the left side of him, still in the bathtub, I see a foot sticking out. I pushed the guy to the side, so I was able to grab the kid just by the shirt, and I yarded him out just one-handed. At that point, Captain Lemon was right behind me.
Get up and fire now, Michael. Baby, baby, we got baby, 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 baby. Get the baby. Which way? Which way? Baby, baby, baby. Everyone's